Hi, I'm Jordan with Quick Ship Electronics, and today I'm here to talk about the new Samsung Galaxy Tab A. It's 8 inches, it's the SM-T380 model, the 2018 edition, here from Quick Ship Electronics. With this particular product, you're going to find it's in open box like new condition. As you can see from the packaging, it does show some light signs of use or scuffs, but ultimately it's in great condition. The newer version of the Samsung 8-inch Galaxy Tab A has a sleek metal frame that's been designed with comfort in mind. It's light, weighing less than 13 ounces, so it won't tire out your hands during use. The top of the tablet includes a microphone, along with a 3.5-inch headphone jack. On the left, you'll have a micro SD port, and to the right, power button and volume control. The bottom of the tablet includes a USB charging port and speaker, along with the front of the tablet having a 5-inch megapixel camera built in, and the back has an HDR mode along with an 8-inch megapixel camera, which includes flash. It includes a 1200 by 800 resolution, Snapdragon 425 quad-core processor. It includes a 1.4 gigahertz speed, 2 gigabytes of RAM. It includes internal storage of 16 gigabytes, which can be expanded up to 256 gigabytes with a micro SD card. With every QuickShip product, we include genuine accessories. In addition to the genuine accessories, as I had mentioned, you get the micro SD card, a little quick start guide, the USB-C cable, and the genuine Samsung charger. Well, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video for the SM-T380. If you did like this video, please subscribe to our channel, watch our other stuff. We have plenty of different products for all your different friends and family members. Also, we include free 2-day shipping, a 1-year quick ship warranty, and free 30-day returns. So if you like it, you get it. You don't like it, just open up a return request and ship it back to us. It's on us. We'll give you 100% of your money back. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video and have a great rest of your day.